Hey everyone, I wanted to just talk a little bit about fluidity. Now, a lot of the people who work with me are familiar with terms like sexual fluidity, where their attractions or their orientation may shift over time or be very expansive. And then there are a lot of folks who I work with who identify as gender fluid, where maybe they don't feel like they are binary or their gender identity shifts at times, or it feels like in either, less of an either or and more of a both and or all or none. And something that I sometimes joke about with people is that I am theoretically fluid. And that means that I've never really understood those folks who have one idea of how psychological problems develop or how you heal them and fix them. I've always felt like there are lots of different theoretical orientations that have something to offer, and I like to use what works with the people I'm working with because not everything really sticks with everybody. So that is also one of the reasons why I wanted to do my relationship skills workshop, so I could share the multiple evidence-based treatment tools and theoretical approaches to working with problems in relationships. I hope you'll be joining us this Saturday, and if I don't see you then, perhaps at a future workshop. Take good care. Bye-bye.